Do you want to download my Facebook Reels? You can save your Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To download your Facebook Reels, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Now, scroll down to the Reels section and find the reel you want to download. Once found, tap on the reel video to open it in full screen. While the reel is playing, tap on the three dots menu icon at the bottom right of your reel. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select Download Reel if the option is available. Your reel will now be saved to your device gallery. This way, you can download and store your reel on your phone.